Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. So on the Bitcoin chart, we've seen a little bit of a decline. I highlighted to you, take care, pay attention to the trend channel because a break of the trend channel could send it right down. However, the question is, of course, is this the major sell-off or not? The question isn't so much, important in terms of, let's say, overall our expectation, because even if we come higher and make one more high, we are focusing on lower against this key resistance level. So whatever it's doing here shouldn't really matter so much. Corrections always transform and morph, extend and whatever. Is this already the breakdown, or do we come down any higher still? But again, we don't know, but there are still two possibilities. I think this might have morphed from what was an ABC structure, which we had before, A, B, C with an ending diagonal, potentially one more high. It would have morphed. If it makes one more high, it probably has become a WXY structure. However, it's not too likely in my opinion, because this was actually quite a nice impulse. Yeah, so I hope that's clear, but nevertheless, it's possible. I mean, you can interpret every 5-wave move as a correction if you really want to. It's just not ideal, but we know that on the lower time frames you see plenty of distortions. So I give this a chance still. I think I just want to point out, it is, even though it's doing what we want, which is basically reacting to resistance and coming down. Again, this was a short trade area, so anybody who shorted from here, you could just move down your stop loss, right, into profit, break even, whatever. And if it goes higher, you might have taken some partial profits, or you just get stopped out and break even. Doesn't matter. That's trading. But yeah, I just want to highlight the potential is still there, that it goes higher in a C wave. Absolutely. And this will be possible as long as the price doesn't break below the X wave low, which is at $25,770. So only below that level, we can't really justify that this is still a B wave. And then I think we have confirmation it's coming down. Just need to let the dog in. Oh, we're gonna come in from the garden. Yeah. Okay, so sorry, let's carry on. So however, it could obviously be something more bullish, as I pointed out in the previous video, but at the moment the price has done nothing to suggest to us that a lasting low has been established here. Yeah, there's just nothing that, or at least nothing to confirm it. So I will only take a more direct bullish interpretation into account, which would just mean that the price has really formed a lasting low and we can go to, 30 to 40K plus again. Okay. I will only take that more seriously if we can see a break above 27,480. That's basically our signal level. Only above that signal level I can take a more bullish stance, and it would basically mean this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2. Yeah, this would probably have to be another wave 1 and this another wave 2, and we're then moving higher in a third wave, and it would, go above the end of August highs and so on. Only then I can take it more seriously. Not at the moment. We have resistance, Fibonacci resistance, where we had previous structural resistance, and the end of August high needs to break as well. A break above 27,480 will make a break above the end of August high, much more likely. But at the moment, it's just doing what we wanted, which is a reaction to resistance. Yeah, it might give us another high. But in the end, this is just a 3-wave move up at the moment. Could turn into a WXY, and then it gives us one more high. And if it's doing that, what would be a key target? Well, I haven't got a low for the wave B, so I can't really give you a very precise target for wave C, but we can use the data we have, because you can also take the length of the wave W, then we go to the wave X low, and I just need to pick that here. And it takes us to, just need to make sure I've selected the right, yeah. It takes us to the 1-to-1 ratio. That would be an ideal target for the wave Y, and with that obviously for the wave C as well. 27,390, the 1-to-1 ratio. It reacted already to the 61.8 extension, which is also an ideal target, but it's a little bit short. So let's say the higher probability target is this 1-to-1 ratio. That's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. As a channel member, you get access to a weekly live stream. On Sunday, we do the next one. So on 5 p.m. UTC, you get access to Discord and Telegram as silver and gold members. And exclusively for gold members, you get additional short-term market updates. So if something like that happens, I would post, first of all, any updates in that updates or short-term market update channel on Discord and Telegram. Keep you updated with any wave count changes when I see them. That's my update. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.